Hello guys, my name is Rupal from Lexus and Company. Today I'll tell you about a case concerning United States diplomatic and consular staff in Tehran, that is United States of America versus Iran. This is a notable case that was heard by International Court of Justice. Here is a summary of the case. The background of the case is like in 1979, a group of Iranian militants seized the United States embassy in Tehran and took American diplomatic and consular staff along hostage. The crisis led to the strained relations between United States and Iran. Legal claims. The United States brought the case before the ICJ, alleging that Iran had violated its obligation under international law, including the Vienna on Diplomatic Relations and the Vienna Convention on Consular Relations. Jurisdiction. Iran argued that the ICJ did not have jurisdiction over the case as it involved domestic jurisdiction and political issues. However, the ICJ had held that it had jurisdiction to hear the case based on the consent of the parties. The decision of ICJ on jurisdiction was first addressed and ruled that it has jurisdiction over the case. ICJ decision on merits. In its subsequent decisions on merit, the ICJ found that Iran had violated its obligation under the Vienna Convention by failing to protect the United States diplomatic and consular staff, allowing their seizure and failing to secure their release. Compensation. The ICJ ordered to Iran to release the hostages immediately and awarded compensation to the United States for inquiries suffered by its personnel and for the damage caused by the embassy and its property. The case highlighted and the importance of diplomatic immunity, the obligations of the host countries to protect diplomatic and consular staff, and the role of the ICJ in resolving disputes between the state based on international law. So that's it about the case. If you have any particular doubts, you can comment down below. I'll be happy to revert. Thank you.